Hello and welcome to this brief little demonstration video on the contacts project. This is for week 3. Just a quick little note, from week 2 to week 3 I did switch to a new GitHub repository just because I was having problems where I accidentally made the last project strict instead of not strict, and I was having trouble trying to get that working, so I just decided to make a whole new, at least Angular project, and just put all my code into that where it's not strict anymore. But anyway, so just starting out here. So here I have the 3 different views I've changed. So here's like the documents one where I followed the directions for at least setting it up for this week. Here's the messages one with some filler messages. If I wanted to add one, I can send it here, and it has at least my name hard-coded here, and then it adds the message. Cool. And then this is from before, the week 2, where it is the contacts one. But yeah, so that is a brief demonstration video of the contacts project so far.